Welcome to a new tech venture. Today, I found something very special. It looks like a window, but not a window in a wall. It's a window you can hold in your hands. Do you know what this is? It's called a tablet. Some people also call it an iPad. Can you say it with me? Tablet. iPad. Yay! You did it! A tablet is like a big smartphone, but bigger and flatter. Just like your favorite storybook. This big shiny part is the screen. And see this little button? Boop! It wakes the tablet up. You don't need a mouse. You don't need a keyboard. You use your magic fingers.
Tap to open. Swipe to turn pages.
Let's try it together. Pretend your finger is a magic wand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tap! Wow! You're amazing! A tablet is a smart helper. It helps us create pictures, learn from fun stories, play games, and connect with friends. Connect with Grandma, and yes, play games. Wow! You're amazing!
But techie friends play healthy games. Healthy games help our brains grow strong.
When we play smart games, we're getting smarter. Using a tablet the wrong way or too much is called abuse.
If it's time to study but you're playing games, that is tablet abuse. Study, not games.
Mommy and Daddy feel unhappy. Schoolwork gets poor.
Eyes feel tired. And we miss fun playtime.
Tablets are good when we use them the right way. Study time is for learning. Playtime is for games. Both are important. Want that? To avoid tablet abuse, techie friends follow techie rules. Ask Mommy or Daddy. Sit properly. Take breaks. When the timer goes beep beep, we stop.
My little tablet, flat and bright, shines and glows with friendly light. Tap, tap here and swipe, swipe there. Magic pictures everywhere. Draw a cat, draw a tree. Read a story just for me. Count the stars, sing a song. Learning fun the whole day long. But when Mommy says, that's enough, I say, okay, and I turn it off. Tablet time, then playtime too. That's the smart
Great
thing
job,
to
everyone!
do. Yay!
Keep it up!
You're a techie superstar. See you next time on our tech venture. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech ventures.